everyone, today we're going to make a castle. I've already started a little bit earlier. I took a tissue box and I wrapped it like a package with brown paper bag. You can use a tissue box, you can use a cereal box, whatever box you have. You choose the shape you want, whatever's in the house. Alright, so we'll get started. We're going to start by adding the portcullis. This one I printed, but you can draw it yourself. I'm going to just glue it on. Right there. I'll turn it so you can see. And then I'm going to go around the edge and add some stonework so that the entrance area to the castle looks a little more fancy. I do realize these are sticking off, but I'm okay with that. My portcullis was a little bit larger than what I had. Alright, going with the brown paper first. Ooh, that one was ready to go on by its own. Alright, and then I'm going to add the black paper next. Make a little pattern. Anyone who's paying attention can tell there's a brown black pattern that's going to start an AB pattern. Alright. Oop, nearly done. Just a little bit more. I'd say 2 more and we're good. Oh, ooh, you know what? We need a smidge more glue right there. That would look good to have it right in the edge. Okay, well, that was a little bit of a accident situation. No big deal. Everything's fine. Okay, so we've got that. It's complete. Now I want to add the top of the castle. Earlier I cut out a long strip of paper with the spaces that stick up so that the soldiers could stand behind these during war or attack on the castle. So I'm going to go around the edge with some glue. Alright. Stick this on. Good. I'm just gonna hold it in. Oops, I just need a smidge of glue right over there. Hold that section on. I had a little overlapping right here, so it wrapped around completely. I'm just gonna hold that and count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, so it will continue to dry as we continue to work. Alright, so now we've got the beginning of the castle. I noticed this piece fell off. I'll just reattach. Alright, what else does the castle need? We need a little texture and some paint. So I'm going to use some blue and white paint I mixed together, some black and white paint to make gray, and just plain brown. And I'm using different sponges to sponge paint around the area. I'm not using all the same colors in the same spaces because I want to add other colors. You can use a sponge brush if you have it, otherwise you can just use a paintbrush. Add a little bit over here. Let's add the gray. Ooh, I think it looks good. A little bit more. You don't have to fill it in completely because the background is brown paper, so I think just going around here and there, sponge painting will look good. I'm going to do 2 sides right now, and later on I'm going to let this dry a little bit, and later on I'm going to finish the other sides. I don't want paint all over the table. Alright, so now I'm going to just move this off to the side while I show you the tower. So my preparedness is falling apart. So I had already made a tower earlier, assembled it. so you can see what it looks like, and you have a sample. You have the tower. I used a paper towel tube, and then the other one I didn't have another paper towel tube, so I used 3 toilet paper tubes and I taped them together. All right, and then I used paper to make a cone, a toothpick, and a piece of paper to glue together to make the flag. And I've made a banner with the coat of arms, noble families and wealthier families. In medieval times they had coats of arms. All right, so let's get started on our other tower, so you can see how it comes together. All right, so I've already cut a piece of paper for the tower. I'm going to start with the curvy section on the bottom, and I'm going to roll the paper to turn it into a cone using some glue. This gets a little tricky sometimes. Oh, I can make this happen. And I need to pull that in a little bit more at the bottom. All right. Might have to hold it with your fingers on the inside and outside. Count to 20 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, and put that aside because that's now together. And we're going to make our flag. So I folded a piece of paper in half and cut a triangle with the folded section in the middle so that it would come together and create a paper and glue sandwich for our flag. So I put the glue in the middle, and now I'm just going to put the toothpick right in there and make sure it seals together with the glue. You've got it. Now, in order for your flag to stick on, you're going to have to put the toothpick inside, then reach up inside of your cone. It's a little tricky, but you can get it to work. I know you can. So it's sticking to my hand. All right, I think I've got it. Okay, it's a little lower than I wanted. That's okay. You can adjust the height on your own castle. Okay, so now I've got that. We've got the cone, the flag, the tower. And just add a little bit of glue right here at the top of your tower, and add your banner with your coat of arms to jazz up your castle. You can glue this on if you want, but I'm just going to stick it right on top. Then I could hide things inside later if I wanted. All right, and now we're going to put some glue along, lay that tower down for a minute, some glue along the side of the castle wall. You could use a glue gun too if you want. That might hold it together, but make sure you have mom and dad help you because glue guns are a bit hot. You don't want anyone to get burnt or injured. All right, and then put the glue on the other side. Ooh, I saw that happening. Whoops. Well, you know what? Once you've got your castle organized, it's all going to stick together a bit better. Add this over here. Oh, well, okay, you know, so you can see where this is going. I'll just stick this on. And once it's all glued together, the glue is dry, don't forget to keep painting the rest of your castle. You are going to have, we're having a little difficulty. All right, well, you get the idea. So there we go. The glue is just not quite ready. All right, there we go. So we, all right, so you see that, you can see that this is what the castle is gonna look like. Sorry, we're just having a little technical difficulty, but you've got the idea. You go ahead and create this. You see the sample and have fun. All right, talk to you later.